morning all of you. Today we will discuss rest of the questions of exercise 3.5. Till question number 6 already we have discussed. Now come to question number 7. The product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify with the help of example. Let the three consecutive numbers are. Let numbers are 2, 3 and 4. Find out their product. 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, 24 is divisible by 6. 4 times, because 6 4s are 24. So you can take any other example. You take three consecutive numbers except 2, 3 and 4 and then see is the product divisible by 6 or not. Okay. We'll take one more example here. Suppose the consecutive numbers are 1, 2 and 3 and their product is 1 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. 6 is also divisible by 6. So you can take any three consecutive numbers which are divisible by 6. Now see the 8th question. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify with the help of example. Now question number 8. Let two consecutives odd numbers are 3 and 5. Find out their sum. Their sum is 8. So 8 is divisible by 4. Let's see some other examples also. Let the numbers are 5 and 7. 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 is also divisible by 4. In such a manner you can take some other example to verify this statement. Okay, now see question number 9. Some prime factors of the numbers are given in the question and you have to find out whether they are the prime factors of the given number or not. 24, 2 into 3 into 4. In this prime factorization, 4 is not a prime number. So this is not a prime factorization of 24. Now come to B part. 56. 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here all the numbers are prime numbers and their product is equals to 56. So this is the prime factors of 56. No. Yes. Now come to the C part. 70 is equals to 2 into 5 into 7. Here all these numbers are prime numbers and their product is equals to 70. So these are also the prime factors of 70. Here their product is equals to 54, but here 9 is not a prime number. So these are not a prime factors of 54. Now see 10th question of this exercise. 25,110. We have to check the divisibility of 45. Whether 25,110 is divisible by 45 or not. So we will see the co-prime factors of 45. 5 9s are 45 and 5 and 9 both are the co-prime numbers. So we will check the divisibility of this number by the co-prime factors of this given number. Okay, now see, this number is divisible by 5 or not? Is divisible by 5. Why it is divisible by 5? Because the ones place digit is 0. Now see whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. The sum of the digits of the given number is 9, so this is divisible by 9 also. If the number is divisible by the co-prime factors of the given number, then it will be divisible by their product also. So if it is divisible by 5 and 9, then the number is 25,110 is divisible by 45 also. Okay. Now see the 11th question. Is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it is divisible by their product also. 2 3s are 6. In the same manner, if a number is divisible by 4 and 6 both, then it is necessary that it will be divisible by their product, means 24 also. Take any example to justify your answer. Beta, it is not necessary that if a number is divisible by 4 and 6, then it will be divisible by their product also. Why it is not necessary? Because 4 and 6 are not the co-prime factors of 24. 4 and 6 have a common factor too. So these numbers are not a co-prime numbers. So that is why it is not compulsory that the number will be divisible by their product also. It can be, but it is not compulsory that always it will be divisible by 24. But if we are dividing the number by their co-prime factors, then it is compulsory that the number will be divisible by their product also. So we will take one example here, like 12. 12 is divisible by 4 and 12 is divisible by 6 also, but 12 is not divisible by 24. Understood? We can take one more example here, like 36. 36 is divisible by 4. 36 is divisible by 6 also, but 36 is not divisible by their product, means 24. It is not divisible by 24. Understood? For this property, the numbers should be the co-prime factors of the given numbers. Like 2 and 3 are the co-prime factors of 6. But 4 and 6 are not the co-prime factors of 24. That is why it is not necessary in all the conditions. Okay. Now come to the 12th question. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Yes, we can find it. First we will find out the smallest 4 prime numbers. The smallest 4 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. For the smallest required number, we will find out the product of these given numbers. 210. 210 is the smallest number which is which has 4 different prime factors. Okay, here we can find out the factors of this number. Obviously, if it is a product of these numbers, then the factors will also be the same. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so the required number is 210. So this exercise is finished. If you have any problem in this exercise, then you can ask on eCare Pro app. Okay, goodbye all of you.